Your TLX features a battery that's housed in the trunk floor for better weight distribution. To access the battery, first pull up on the trunk floor lid strap until it's completely open. Remove the tool case for the tire repair kit. The battery is now exposed. Although the battery is in the trunk, provisions have been made in the engine compartment for safe and easy jump starting should the battery discharge. Before hooking up jumper cables, make sure that electrical devices, such as the audio system or lights, have been turned off. Also, make sure the ignition is in the off position. In the engine compartment, open the cover of the jump start box labeled with a plus symbol. Connect the positive jumper cable, typically colored red, to the positive terminal under the jump start box. Do not connect the cable to any other part and make sure you have good metal-to-metal contact. This applies to all cable connections. Connect the other end of the cable to the booster vehicle's positive battery terminal. Carefully connect the negative jumper cable, usually colored black, to the booster vehicle's negative battery terminal. Connect the remaining negative cable connector to the terminal labeled GND for ground on the far right side of the TLX's engine compartment. Do not connect this cable to any other part. Next, ensure the booster vehicle's engine is on. Before starting your TLX, it helps to slightly increase the RPM of the booster vehicle. Now, attempt to start the engine. Once the engine has started, remove the jumper cables in the following order. It is important to know that the jump start box in your TLX's engine compartment cannot be used to jump start other vehicles. It also should not be used to charge your TLX's battery other than to jump start. You can, however, jump start another vehicle by connecting the cables directly to the battery terminals within the trunk compartment. Be sure to follow the manufacturer's procedures for the vehicle you are jump starting. See your owner's manual for full details and safety precautions for jump starting your TLX.